Kamusta mga Hot Wheels fans dito sa Pilipinas? So, nakikita nyo ngayon, we finally have the 2024 Hot Wheels Mainlines P-Case. So, meron na tayo ngayon. Na-release to sa Malaysia more than a month ago na. So, may napanood na tayo mga unboxing nito no, sa YouTube. So, alam na natin yung mga laman nito at kung anong magaganda rito. And mag-unbox lang tayo to see if makakakuha tayo ng Super Treasure Hunt. Okay. So, we have this sealed case. And, yeah, let's open up. Tingnan natin kung makaka-chamba tayo, no? Madaming magaganda dito sa case na to. So, kaya inaabangan ko din to, no? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so case is opened. So, ang Super Treasure Hunt dito is yung Lamborghini din. And then yung regular Treasure Hunt naman is yung Impala, Chevy Impala. So, let's see kung anong makukuha natin and anong mga bago rito sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood sa YouTube. No? Okay, ito bago to, no? Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition. So, parang metal finish. Yan. And from the previous end case, yung Porsche 911 Rally. Ito, bago din to sa P-Case. Honda S800 Racing. Racing livery. Okay, ito bago din to sa P-Case, Gordon Murray Automotive T50S. Yan. So, ito I believe first time nito yata sa Hot Wheels, and I checked yung copyright niya. Not sure if kung kita niyo, parang 2024 lang yung copyright, ano. So this might be the first. Donut Drifter, small block from the previous case. Studebaker Champ, custom Chevy Loveland from the previous case. Mustache, birthday burner. Okay, ito bago din to sa P-Case, Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. Ito naman gray siya. HW4 truck. King Kuda from the previous case. Hoverstorm. And ito yung isa sa mga inaabangan ng marami, ano, mga JDM fans. So, LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-RR version 2, or Liberty Walk GTR 35 for short, ano. So, we've seen this casting before. So, ito naman parang gray Then and Now series. And okay, thread shredder, and ito yung regular treasure hunt for this P case. So 59 Chevy Impala. So yung design niya is for uh, Hot Wheels celebration racers. So ito parang for Halloween, no? Dia de los Muertos na design. Yan. So for Halloween. And that's the flame logo. Ayan. And ito yung favorite ko. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko makuha, no, sa case na to. Kasi ang ganda ng design niya. Yan. Para sa mga lowrider fans. Ganda, di ba? Nissan Skyline GTR 33 Godzilla from the previous end case. Rollin Solo. Porsche 904 Carrera in red from the previous case then. Total Disposal. HW roll cage. Yeah. Cool. So new din nata to sa PKs. And then another new one, Tesla Model S Plaid. Nice plain looking blue. And Chevy C10 from the previous case then. Proper chopper. Recolor ng 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. So yung previous color niya is parang blue, ano. So ito naman green. Rink Racer. Okay, yung recolor ng tuned Dodge Charger Fast and Furious. So yung previous color niya is black. May red stripe dito sa likod. So ngayon is gray with black stripe. Chevy Chevelle and yung Porsche Carrera keychain from the previous case. Okay, 87 Audi Quattro. And ito yung recolor ng Koenigsegg Jesko. So parang yung last color niya is parang yung deep purple yata yan, ano. So ito naman orange. HW450F. Mazda RX-3. Okay, first Batmobile natin for this P case. And speed bump. Okay, yan na yung first layer. So, wala pang super. Tignan natin. Another Porsche keychain. Another Aston Martin DB4 GT. Studebaker Champ. Chevy Chevelle ulit. Donut Drifter ulit. 2016 Ford GT Race from the previous case. Porsche 904 Carrera ulit. Another Honda S800 Racing. Another Mazda RX-3. Another Koenigsegg Jesko. HW4 truck ulit. Birthday burner ulit. Hoverstorm ulit. King Kuda. Ito yung second Batman natin for this case. Small block. Heavy hitcher. Okay, new to sa 4 PKs Ford 2017 Ford GT white. New din, recolor Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Another Ford GT race. Another Porsche 911 Rally. Um, 87 Audi Quattro ulit. Okay, and ito rin yung isa pa sa mga inaabangan ng marami, yung bagong Toyota Supra. So, yan. Green. So, makintab na green. Ganda. Hot Wheels the 90s. Yan. And ito din, recolor Silverado EVRST. Sana kaya? Okay. From the previous case, Lamborghini Huracan Sterato. Mailed it. Okay. Ito yung dapat super treasure hunt. Pero ito, normal lang. Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. So yan, haba ng pangalan. Hot Wheels Exotics. Yan. So sayang hindi siya yung Super Treasure Hunt. Anyway, this one's new. Desert Drifter. Okay, ito yung tuned naman ng Toyota Supra, 94 Toyota Supra, Fast and Furious din. Ayan. Oh, nice. Cute. And recolor ng McLaren P1. Last 6. Okay. We have another Godzilla R33. Nice. And BMW M3 Wagon Red from the previous case. Another Tesla Model S Plaid. Okay, and last 3. Custom Chevy Love ulit. Celerio GT, yung Super Treasure Hunt model from the N case. And lastly, recolor ng 1995 Mazda RX-7 Project Mu decals. So previously white siya, no? So ito naman blue. Hot Wheels J Imports. So ito yung mga hinahanap ng mga nagko-complete ng J Import sets, ano. Okay. So wala na, ubos na po. Okay, so sayang hindi tayo nakakuha ng treasure hunt, pero meron naman tayong regular treasure hunt. And sabi ko nga maraming maganda sa case na to. And ito yung top 5 ko, no? Okay, for me, ito yung top 5, 5 pinakamaganda for this case. So, yung favorite ko, yung 59 Chevy Impala. And then, itong Toyota Supra. And then, itong bagong Gordon Murray Automotive T50S. And then, yung Super Treasure Hunt model na Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. And lastly, yung Liberty Walk R35. Ayan. So, daming maganda dito sa case na to. So, marami kayong mapagpipilian. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next unboxing. Bye.